What's good with everybody? We back with another video. About to get it in today. Y'all already know. Today we're gonna be doing the transmission detent cable, and we're gonna be doing the wheel stud. Cause I got to change the wheel studs on the other side. So I'm just showing y'all every little piece of the build, keeping y'all updated before we take the first drive on this car with Big Meech or whatever. So I'm about to get it uncovered, get it pushed right here to the spot so I have some area to work with. And yeah, we're gonna get to it today, man. It's a pretty day outside today, all of that. So yeah, man, just trying to turn the wrench. Oh, I'm probably gonna finish installing the gauges too, run the oil gauge, hook up the oil pressure gauge and mount them and all that good stuff. You know, little simple stuff I can be doing. So I'm probably gonna be doing all of that in this video, just doing some finishing touches on Meech. So I'm about to get the car all set up. I ain't gonna record all the pushing and jack stands and all that other stuff. So next clip, we should be on the car getting the cable put in, cause I want to do that first, cause they're gonna be, I say, the quote unquote hardest out of everything I gotta do today. I'm gonna do that first, and then I'm gonna go ahead and jump and do the wheel stud. Then we're gonna go inside the car and do the and on the hood do the oil pressure gauge and all that. So y'all stay tuned. All right, so I got the cable out, checking in. 10mm bolt, one 10mm bolt, and y'all can see the difference in length right here. Well, I gotta adjust it out, cause this right here way too short to even reach to hook up to the carburetor. But you got this cable, they got an adjustment, which I already got it adjusted. You know, you can adjust it where you need to be, and you can pull that in and out, hit the button. So about right here gonna be ideal for me. I know it'll reach the carburetor, and this gotta be hooked up on the 700, boy. They would not shift right. But something I noticed on the ends of them is the different design. Y'all see, let me see, let it focus. See that? The difference in them? And I think they made like this, the seal, just for it to seal. Cause it's a rubber O-ring that's supposed to go right there, but it probably still up there on the transmission. So I gotta make sure I pull that down, cause if I don't, I ain't gonna leak like crazy. But this the part I hate about these cables. This probably what I'm about to spend all my time fighting with. You got to hook this thing. It's a hole in it right there. Hold on. See if I can get it to focus. Y'all can see it a little bit. But I'm trying to let it focus. I see that bee, boy. Bee trying to get me. I can't, it won't focus. But it's a little hole on the end of this. It got the hook in there, sliding hook in there. This thing has to be hooked up. If not, got to go back and do it again. So this probably what I'm about to fight with. So I'm about to go ahead and get that done. Then we're gonna move on to the wheel stud. All right, y'all. So we checking back in. Got the cable on. Y'all see it sticking up. Got it all hooked up in transmission. That was the hard part, getting it hooked on that little loop. Then I just got to run it over there just to put the end on it, all that good stuff. It's simple though. But what I'm moving on to next is getting the wheel stud changed. Been change these out right quick. Cause y'all see I ain't changed this side. Cause Rick come through today, he's supposed to do the rotors. So I want to have all my lubes and wheels on tight and all that good stuff. So we about to get them ugly things off and put the new ones on. So about to do that, and then we're gonna check back in. All right, y'all, so checking in. It been a couple of hours. I ran into a problem. I knew it was gonna happen too. I just knew it was gonna happen. But every time I go against my good instinct, something happens. Alright, so let me lighten it up. I rolling smooth. Rolling good. And look at that. Look, that thing stuck on there, man. I'm talking about the impact that ate the metal off of it, cause I was trying to get it off. It had slipped one time, and that come from me trying to knock a socket on there. And it's so tight, it has ate the metal off. I'm talking about it's thin. So that stuck on there. I gotta wait. I had called Rick to see if Rick got a 19 or a 3/4 ease out. He said he do. So I'm gonna knock that on there. But I tell you what, I'm about to order one. So I have it. Cause I got some, but mine just go to 14. I got the Earl one. Mine go to 14 millimeter. But I went by Lowe's to see if they had one just in case. And they don't sell them. They don't sell them that big. But I did buy a tool, which I'm about to give y'all a little tool review right now. Basically, cause I'm about to try it out and see if it'll get it off. So if I go get that, then we're gonna try it. Alright. So this is what it is, a gator grip. Man, guy at Lowe's would tell him about it. I tell him my problem. Yeah, man, I see him all the time, man. He be knowing his stuff with the tool, older guy. And he was like, a lot of people been buying this, called gator grip. Free promotion, man, but I don't care. I'm trying to put y'all on game, cause if it work, it might save you, man. But this go up to a 3/4. So this supposed to fit exactly what I need. And it supposedly grips any side boat, like just immediately grip the boat. So we about to see. I'm about to see, man. I'm gonna put on the impact and we're gonna try it out. If it don't work, like he said, bring it back. So about to open this and then we're gonna see if we're gonna get that look nut off, cause it's real tight and it's ugly. So let's get it. Alright. So I got it out. I got out the pack. Let me get there. I got to get my camera straight. Got out the pack. My camera don't want to focus like that today. I get caught some dirt on the lens. But anyway, these things go in here. And this supposedly supposed to grip the any boat. Which I see that's a problem right now. Cause I need to go around all of this. So I don't think this gonna work. I don't see it. I don't see it. I'm finna try to make it happen though. I don't know. We finna see. I'm finna knock this thing on here and see. So let's try it. Alright, I got it on there. When I hit it with the hammer now, it felt pretty good. I ain't gonna lie. It felt pretty good. I don't know how it worked, but we finna see. Let me see, make sure I got the impact turn now. Got to see. Nothing. Thing ain't did nothing, man. Ate them things up. That's what it did. I don't know. I don't know. I don't think this thing did nothing. Broke that. Let me try it again. So that thing right there is a no-go. This thing right here is trash. Well, at least for this right here, this task right here is trash. So I'm gonna have to wait, and Rick said he gonna come bring the ease out by here. Cause I know that'll get it off. When they get that bite, it's a wrap. It coming off of there. So put the ease out on there, it'll come off. So I gotta wait on him. I'm stuck. If he ain't got one, then I'm gonna have to order me one. Wait till it come. And then just get it all done. I'm gonna have to leave the thing off. But I do not want to leave my car like this, man. I ain't trying to leave my car like this. So I hope he come on through and have one. I said, man, I should have listened to my gut, man. My gut feeling. I would not be in that predicament, but it happens. So I'm gonna get this off, y'all. And then we're gonna go to the next clip, see what I'm gonna do next. Alright, y'all, so y'all see I got it all. Shout out to my fam Rick. Brought that ease out. I need to order some. I mean, we got the same set, but he got the ones up here. When you buy them at the store, mine just came with these, but he got these right here, and I used this one. It bit it, it pulled it out too. I'm gonna show it to y'all. What I did with it, I'm gonna show it to y'all. That thing was ugly. Oh, it's right here. It was ugly. It had to really grab it too. There it is right there. Yeah, that thing was ugly. So yeah, I'm about to pop the tire back on. About to get the tire back on. Set it down. Sitting racing, getting the sun. So like that's it, man. I hope y'all enjoyed the video. I'm gonna catch y'all on the next episode. The next episode, I should be moving the car. So definitely tune in. Appreciate y'all. I'm out.